Yeah?
You want to go buy me a newer Ram?
Where are you going to school at?
Probably Lima, Ohio.
They're the same one he's been running all day.
University of Northwest Ohio.
Yeah, I just got it.
Auto.
How much type of cost?
How much does it cost?
Well, if you're doing bolt tire, you're gonna be like 35.
Yeah, I'm gonna go there for diesel and agricultural diesel. We'll be about 2.5 years area. It'll be about 30,000
Maybe that's what you're going for. It wouldn't be that long. You know, it's only 90 weeks plus 4 more classes. There's no color for a class going.
I don't think my insurance covers off-road somebody hitting me.
Yeah.
You signed the waiver.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is put a blade on it and say, yeah, put it in there. What are you gonna do? Come out and inspect the truck?
Yes.
No, we don't.
We came out
Anything
and
that
inspected the
happens
Cavalier.
here, they will not cover. You signed a waiver stating that nothing's liable here.